Welcome to today's video where we are going to tackle a rather interesting problem with a Windows system. The issue at hand involves a post-Windows update scenario where the system seems to be functioning fine, but there are some peculiar problems related to Unicode and fonts. This situation arose after a recent Windows update, which also coincided with the system disk being almost full. The user has tried various troubleshooting steps, including creating a new user account to isolate the issue, but to no avail. The problem seems to affect certain programs while leaving others unaffected. Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. After running sfc scanno and dism online cleanup image restore health commands without success, the user decided to try a different approach. By restoring fonts-related registry keys from a backup dated back to February, there was a noticeable improvement. The Unicode rendering issue in programs like Chrome and Edge was resolved. Additionally, changing the font to Cascadia Code PL was recommended as a potential fix for the problem, as highlighted in discussions related to similar Unicode rendering issues. In summary, we've explored a perplexing problem with Unicode and fonts on a Windows system post-update. Through diligent troubleshooting and some registry key restoration, the user was able to resolve the issue, primarily by changing the font to Cascadia Code PL. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Remember, sometimes a solution is just a font change away.